For working example number 2, solve a problem using inequalities. 2 stores want to hire Sarah. Store A pays a flat rate of $50 per day plus 3% of sales. Store B pays a flat rate of $40 per day plus 5% of sales. How much does Sarah need to sell for store B to be the better offer? And over here on the right, there's a little sidebar. Salespeople often work on commission, which is a form of payment based on the amount of their sales. Usually it's based on a percent. So, write an inequality to model the problem. We're going to let S equal the value of Sarah's sales for the day. And we need to find S when the pay for store B is greater than the pay for store B. So we're going to complete the chart here. So store B pays $40 per day. Store A was 55. Percent of sales for A was 3%. For B, it's 5%. So 3% of sales is 0.03 times S. So 5% of sales is going to be 0.05 times S. So if you work at A, you're paid $55 a day plus your 3%, so 0.03 times S. If you work at store B, you get paid $40 plus 0.05 times S. So in order for store B to be greater than store A, that's what we're trying to solve. We're going to take these equations and relate them this way. So store B is here, is greater than store A. So store A was this, 3%. So 40 plus 0.05 S is greater than 55 plus 0.03 S. So there's our equation. Now we just need to use it to solve for S. So here's the equation again. We've got constant, variable, constant, variable. We want the variables on the left, so we're going to move this constant over to the right by doing the opposite. Instead of add 40, we're going to subtract. So subtract 40 here, subtract 40 here. That leaves us with 0.05 S on the left. And 55 minus 40 is 15. And then plus the 0.03 S. Now, variable, constant, variable. We want this variable to be moved over to the left. So we're going to subtract by 0.03 S on both sides. So when we do that, 0.05 minus 0.03 gives us 0.02 S. These ones cancel out, leaving you with just 15 on the right. So 0.02 S has to be greater than 15. To get S, divide both sides by 0.02. Then you're left with S is greater than, and then, let's see here, 15 divided by 0.02 gives you 750. So, Sarah's pay will be higher at store B when her sales are greater than $750. That's what we've calculated. If she thinks her sales will be more than $750 on most days, then store B is the better choice for her. If it's going to be less than $750 a day, then store A will be the better choice. Okay, so that leaves us with a show you know. Please do that.